there he is. About a half hour ago, I saw him, and he was only about, his wings were only about an inch and a half long, and I thought he was deformed or a different kind of a different kind of swallowtail. But I come back now, and look how big he is. It's amazing. Oh, you're beautiful. Look at that. It's a female, mostly yellow. Yay, another female. You're beautiful. Keep drawing your wings.